so this is my first Happy Wheels video, and well, I'm going to start. I don't really like heart donations, so I'm gonna skip that. Epic sword throw, technological sword throw, rate 5 if you liked it, and save replay. Your replay for funny death in WrestleMania. Okay then. Sword throw. Okay. So let's start. Oh. Okay, I guess that's a bit loud. Shut up, old man. Cool. Shut up. Oh, this is so stressful. Okay. Baby dead. Oh, cool. Thank you. Okay. Okay then. Here, no. Here comes another one. Throw. Okay. Wait, just let me change the dock system. Alright. Okay. Oh no. Glitch. Oh no. I have sword stuck in me. I suck. Sword throws. No. Hallelujah. Hey, look. It's a beautiful. Now let's just finish it. Okay, so I can't. I just broke my beautiful painting or square sort of ish. Ha! I got the new. And I died. I don't want to hear. Damn it. Okay. Oh no. Oh, I win. Okay. Ball throw. Rate 5 and save replay. Please play Toby/PewDiePie. Soon this is going to say. What? What? I didn't even do anything. Wow. I can't. Goes it. Hit it. No. Wow. Great. Okay. Thank you for scratching my back. Oh, why do you have to bounce back? Oh, God. I'm so great, ain't I? No, just kidding. Dr. Buskus. For Tobuscus. Find the secret ending. Okay. No! No! So close. Good. Impossible. Okay. Good. Oh, okay. Okay, that's gonna happen the same thing as this. Oh, now head. Cool. Okay, gonna. Yay! What? What? That's not fair. That is not. Okay, dead. I'm close to getting happy. Let's go. No, see if we. Oh, I'm God. I knew it. All time. People were waiting for me. I'm Chuck Norris. I'm Norris, not Chuck Norris. Good, blah, 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 blah. I won! And I can still be alive. Oh, yes. I want ultimate sword. Oh, wait. I forgot to read it. Please buy Sinvice. Please play my level. This is my first level, so it might be ugly to you. Please rate 5 if you like it. Tobuscus, please play this. Save replays. Okay. Watch. Death to you, JD. Oh, what? Woo! I won! I don't know how. I'm great. Right through all the forces of Segway Steven. And please rate what you think. And feel free to save your replica, sucker. Woo! Wait, sorry, sucker. Woo! Enjoyed by Alec3. Okay. Daddy, what does it say? Oh, I don't. I'm okay. But you're dead. No, you're dead. But I'm not, Daddy. Don't lie. Son. Oh, I'm dead. You know what? Here we go. What? So who's dead now? Okay. Whoa, what? It's ah! That's not fair. Huh. Wow. Now who's dead now, sucker? Oh. Okay, I don't know who's who. Oh, that was a nice kill there. Oh my lord! You're being killed by one of your accomplices. In your butt. Oh. Why does it kill me? Damn it. Yes. Wall. Jump. Ha, I'm ready for that now. Stop killing yourselves. You're so stupid. I don't want to do anything to kill your own. Oh god. How did I die? No. Guess I'll look in the video for that. Wow. Did he just kill you? No, you're just in his leg, I suppose.
Oh, my leg! Damn it!
Oh. Am I dead? Yeah. Dude, you're a fast elf. Wow. Yeah. Dude, stop bullying on the Segway guy. Oh, I'm killed. That's so cool. Wow.
Damn it!
He took a friggin' trident in the chest and didn't die. My son is amazing. Too bad. Get out of the tunnel. Out. Oh. I want to get on top of you. Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. That guy like. Oh no, that. Ooh. Oh no. Wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, you gonna kill me, loser? The gun fell out of your hand. Part 2! Sword throw fixes by AK-47 Butt Burn. Make a replay stating what I should do next. The wind system has been improved. Also, the breaking of the leg glitch has been fixed. What? Perfect. Adios. Ooh. Ooh. 2. No, please don't kill me. I got a backward sword now. I won! With 2 to go. The 5 boss battles. The Bros SJ. Thanks for playing my levels and the fastest. You will have a shout out in my new levels. Save me! Too bad. God. Ha.
Oh, my leg.
Ha. Jump. And that's my... Oh. Ah. Okay, maybe I shouldn't jump on that one. Jump. 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 Ha. Keep on going. Run. No. Stupid tire that blew my head up. Oh. I got no legs. Haha. Oh, it hurt. Oh, I made it. Oh no. Jump. Ha, stupid. Ha. Oh, God. That was some awful stabbing. Ha, thank you for... Oh, I'm alive. Oh, I won. I made it. Do. Impossible. If you did that level, please rate. I don't understand. What? So close. What? Oh, no. No. Oh! Get me out of here. Okay, this is hopeless. Z. No! I actually could have made it there. Oh, no! Why do they always aim for your head? I mean, what? And I got stuck on the pike. Wow. I will make it. Oh, I killed myself. No, so close. So close. Ha! I did it. Ha. Take that. Gotta go. We're stuck on 1 or 50 jets. Okay. Bye.